Hello, my sweet littles. I hope y'all are doing well. I am so excited for today's video. We are going to jump in today and we are actually going to do a little mini math lesson. Now, we have done addition and subtraction and we've been practicing that for a while now. And today we're actually going to read a book all about subtraction. Now, remember, there is this sign whenever we subtract, and it's like this, and it means to take away. Remember, it's not this sign, it's this sign. What sign is that called? Minus sign. Very good. So, Mirza, I can subtract using a minus sign. Mirza. Very good. So today our story is actually all about the minus sign, okay? So our story today is called If You Were a Minus Sign by Trisha Speed Shaskin and illustrated by Francesca Carabelli. Now remember, put your thinking caps on. What does the author do? Very good. The author writes the words. And what does the illustrator do again? Draws the pictures. Excellent job. Give yourselves a big old round of applause. Excellent job. Are we ready to listen to our story? Great. I'm ready to read it to you. Go ahead and show me spaghetti and meatballs and put them in your lap. Let's go. If you were a minus sign, if you were a minus sign, you would subtract one number from another. Hugo has 12 balloons. How many balloons? 12. A bird bursts 6 of Hugo's balloons. Oh no, look. He bursted 6 of Hugo's balloons. How many balloons does Hugo have left? So he popped all of the blue ones. How many does he have left? Yes, very good. He has 6 balloons left. So 12 minus 6 equals 6. Awesome job. If you were a minus sign, you would be a symbol used to show subtraction. You would be part of a subtraction problem. Starry-eyed Stella's daisy had 9 petals. Stella plucks 8 petals from it. Uh-oh, look at her petals on her daisy. She had 9 and she plucked 8 of them away. How many are left on her daisy? Yeah, there's just one, isn't there? Now remember, these two daisies are just extra. She's not plucking from those, is she? So Stella's daisy has 1 petal left. If you were a minus sign, you would be used in place of the words take away. Remember, minus means take away, right? Very good. Mama Monk finds 12 acorns. How many? 12. She takes away 5 to hide. 12 take away, or what's that word we're gonna use? Minus. Very good. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Papa Monk finds 7 acorns. How many? He takes away 5. So show me 7. Now I want you to take away 5. How many is 7 minus 5? Yeah, 7 take away 5 is 2. 2 acorns are left. So it says 7 minus 5 equals 2. If you were a minus sign, you would help show the difference in a subtraction problem. There are 10 bowling pins. Bruno knocks down 4 of them. Everyone show me 10. Now take down 4 of them. How many bowling pins are left up? 6. 6 bowling pins are left standing. The difference between 10 and 4 is 6. Very good. Remember, using our fingers really helps us, doesn't it? If you were a minus sign, you could work left to right or top to bottom. Patty fries 7 burgers. Ooh, how many are you going to show me? Very good. She puts 5 on a plate. How many are left in the pan? 2. Awesome. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Patty stacks 7 burgers. She serves 2 and has how many left? 5. Excellent job. If you are a minus sign, you could help solve a story problem. Are you ready? We've done number stories before. Let's listen. Sandy blew 11 bubbles. Gil popped 4 of them. How many bubbles were left? 11 minus 4 equals 7. Very good. Remember, what can we do if we don't know exactly off the top of our head how many there were? If we're not sure that we're right, what could we do? We could count them, right? Excellent. Let's go ahead and count the bubbles that are left. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent job. 11 minus 4 equals 7. 7 bubbles were left. If you are a minus sign, you could subtract small numbers. There are 9 glasses of fruit punch on the table. 3 thirsty tigers take 3 glasses away. Uh-oh. So there were 9 minus 3. How many glasses are left? Can you tell me? 6. Yes, very good. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Awesome. There are 24 pieces of pizza. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of pizza. Would you eat that much pizza? You would? Oh my goodness, my tummy would be hurting from that much pizza. Some hungry hippos take 10 pieces away. Oh my, so 24 minus 10. There are 14 left. Look at all that pizza. Whoa. That's a lot of pizza, isn't it? If you were a minus sign, you could subtract big numbers. There are 120 cupcakes on the cupcake tree. Some lunching lizards take 100 cupcakes away. There are, how many do you think there might be left? 20. There are 20 cupcakes left. Can I get a mind blown? Awesome job. Are you ready? This one's a really big number. Mama and Papa Potbelly pop 1,500 pieces of corn. The Potbelly family eats 1,000 pieces of popcorn. There are 500 pieces left. 1,500 minus 1,000 equals 500. Oh my goodness. Did you know that? I didn't know that either. If you were a minus sign, you would be part of a subtraction problem. You could use addition to check the answer to your subtraction problem. Did you know that? Let's see if he's right. Jack pulls 7 doves out of his hat. He makes 5 doves disappear. So he had 7, and how many is he making disappear? 5, so take away 5. How many is Jack left with? 2, very good. To check your answer, add the 5 birds that have disappeared to the 2 in the hat. How many do you have if you add 5 to 2? 7. Was he right? I think so too. You have 7 birds. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Whoa, look at all those birds. Look at the hat. He took 5 away, didn't he? Yeah. You could always subtract one number from another if you were a, what's that sign called again? Minus sign. Very good. And that, my friends, is the end. Excellent job. I want you to give yourselves a big old brain kiss. All right. Are we ready to jump into our game? Yeah, we're going to play a little subtraction game. So we've worked a lot on story problems this year, haven't we? Yeah, remember how we played seats on the bus and party problems? And we played all of these fun games with addition and subtraction, didn't we? Well, today we're going to focus more on subtraction, but remember what the book said? Do we have to only use subtraction to make sure we have our answer correct? No, we can also use what? Addition. Excellent job. So I'm going to give you some examples and we're going to play a little game. Now here I have a dice, okay? And it's going to tell us, and we're going to start off subtracting only. And then we're going to play our little game. And some will be plus and some will use the minus. Now there are a couple on here that we're not going to need. This one, you don't need that one yet. That one's for multiplying. That one's going to happen in 3rd grade. And then dividing, we don't need that one yet either. So we're really just going to be focusing on the plus sign and the minus sign. Are you ready? Me too. So you are only going to need 2 things for this one. You will need some sort of piece of paper. It can be big, it can be small, whatever you need. And then just something to write with. It could be a marker, it could be a colored pencil, it could be a pen, a pencil, whatever you need to do. A crayon, whatever you have around. Are you ready to get started? Me too. And I'm going to use some little things to help me out. Remember, there are some things that you can get around your house to help you add and subtract. Do you remember that? So with me, I have some of our little mini erasers, but this time I'm using insects. So I have butterflies and ladybugs, and we're just going to use those to help us make sure we have the correct answers. Does that sound good to y'all? Me too. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Ready? Let's go. So, you know what? Mrs. Dewald loves butterflies so much that she had 10 butterflies. How many? 10. Now remember, if you don't have anything in your house to use, you can always just use your pencil and paper and just draw 10 circles or 10 butterflies. All right, I have my 10 butterflies. Do you? Me too. All right, so now, you know what though? One of my friends in my class loves butterflies as well. And guess what? She took away 6 of those butterflies. How many did she take away? 6, yeah. So now we have to take away 6. So 10 minus 6. So remember to write it as you go. 10 minus sign, and then you have to take away your 6. And then what's that sign that tells us what our answer is at the end? Equal. Very good. Now, how many butterflies do you have left? 4. Awesome job. Way to go, y'all. I'm just going to show you what I have here, and let's see if you have the right answer too. Are you ready? So it says 10 minus 6 equals 4. Awesome job, you guys. Now remember, go ahead and you're going to clear, or I'm going to clear off my board again. You are just going to keep on going. All right. All right, we're gonna do one more subtraction problem and then we'll start rolling the dice and we'll do a couple more. Sound good? Great, let's go. All right, you know what else though? Guess what? I heard that one of y'all loves ladybugs. Like y'all love them more than any other animal, so much that one day you brought home 5 ladybugs. How many? So remember, write your number 5 and then draw your circles or get your little objects out to show 5 ladybugs. Awesome. But you know what? Someone else in the class that we didn't know about, they love ladybugs too. So guess what? Do you think they're gonna get more ladybugs or do you think they're gonna take some away? I think they're gonna take some away because they're not allowed to have, because they don't have any at home, do they? No, so they're gonna take some away from the other person. So guess what? They took away 3 ladybugs. How many? 3 ladybugs. Awesome. So remember, put your X's. Awesome. And then what's that sign again? Equal. Very good. So 5 minus 3 equals how many don't have X's on them? 2. Awesome job. And this is what it should look like. If you got that right, give me a big thumbs up. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna clear mine off. Now we're gonna jump on in and we're gonna use the dice as well. Sound good to y'all? So this time we can add or we can, what's that word? Subtract. Very good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and roll. Oh, I landed on the multiplication sign. What did I land on? Are we gonna add or subtract? Add, right? Remember this sign means to add. So are we taking away or are we combining? We're combining. Excellent job. So adding, ready? All right, let me see here. You know what? I saw 7 yellow bees the other day. How many did I see? 7. Very good. Now remember, after you write your number 7 and show your 7 circles or bees, you have to put your plus sign, right? Yeah. But guess what? Not even an hour later, I saw 4 more bees. How many? 4. Yes. So go ahead and write your number 4 and then draw your 4 more circles. Yes. Now we have to combine, right? So now we have to count both the 7 circles and the 4 circles. You ready? Can you count it with me? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many bees did I see all together? 11. Yes. Remember, 2 1s. Awesome. Are you ready to show me? Show me. So let's go ahead and say our number sentence. Ready? 7 plus 4 equals 11. Excellent job. All right. I'm clearing mine off. Let's roll again. Ready? We'll do 2 more. Sound good? Great. Oh, I landed on a minus sign. Look at that. Remember, if we have a minus sign, it means to what? Take away, right? All right, y'all. Are you ready? One of you saw 7 bugs the other day. How many? 7 bugs. So go ahead and write your number 7 and show me 7. And then remember, are we adding or are we subtracting this time? Subtracting. Awesome job. So we're going to go ahead and use our minus sign, right? And guess what? Our friend that saw all 7 of those bugs, he liked them so much, he tried to take all 7 of them home. How many did he try and take home? 7. So how many is he taking away? 7, right? So we're going to go ahead and put our X's. So 7 minus 7. Now, how many do you have left if you have 7 minus 7? How many do you think? Go ahead and blurt. I'm going to show you my answer, and I want to see if you think you got the right one. Ready? Okay. Oh my goodness. So how many bugs did our little friend see? He saw 7. And guess what? How many did he take away? 7. So if you have X's on all of them, how many do you have left? 0, right? Isn't that so crazy? Awesome job. Did you get it right? If you got it right, I want you to hop on one foot. Okay, you can stop hopping now. Good job, y'all. All right, we're gonna do one more. Are you ready? One more. Uh-oh, we got one more minus sign. Are you ready? So we gotta subtract one more time and then we're done. All right, you know what? One of my friends in my class saw 10 puppies. How many puppies? 10. Yes. So go ahead and write the number 10 and then draw 10 puppies. Now remember, if you don't have enough room on your paper, what's another way that you can draw your 10 circles or your 10 puppies? There's this little thing that we use and it has 10 spots on it. A 10 frame, right? So you could always write it like that, couldn't you? Or draw the circles like that. So if you need to do that, you can go ahead and do that as well. So we have 10 minus, you know what? Someone liked his puppies so much, or her puppies so much, I'm so sorry, that they took away 8 of them. How many did they take away? 8, I know, right? So we gotta draw 8 circles. So remember, if we put X's on 8 circles over here, we have to put X's on how many circles over here? 8, right? Because that's how many we're taking away. So you have to take away 8 of the circles over there, or puppies. Do you see how many you have left? Go ahead and write your equal sign at the end. And then how many do you have left? I'm gonna see if you got it right. Ready? Look there. Remember, we have 8 that we took away, so we had to take away 8 over here. So how many were left? 2. So let's say our number sentence together. Ready? 10 minus 8 equals 2. Awesome job today, y'all. I want you to give yourselves a big old pat on the back. Awesome. I am so proud of y'all, and I hope that y'all had fun with this today. Remember, continuing with those addition and subtraction stories, it could be anything in the house. It doesn't just have to be insects. It could be whatever you want it to be. It could be puppies, it could be ice cream, it could be whatever you want it to be. I want you today to try and tell your own family some number stories, and you have to tell them what the answers are. Does that sound good? Sounds great. I will see y'all later. I hope y'all have a great one and stay safe. Bye, y'all.